Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Daphne. Thanks for tuning in. Let's get into the video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make delicious dessert tacos made your way. We have just the flour tortillas, street tacos. They're small, they're the perfect size. I got a 1/4 cup of butter I'm getting ready to melt, sugar and ground cinnamon. And I'm also going to be making little stands for the tacos using aluminum foil. I'll show you how to do that real quick. So make sure they'll stand. Make them like that. I'm going to make 5 of them. And this is going to make it where the tacos actually have the shape like they should have when they come out the oven. Okay, I have all the stands ready. Okay, I melted the butter. And now I'm going to do the sugar and the ground cinnamon. I'm going to put it in here and mix it together. I'm going to put 2 tablespoons of sugar. And I'm going to put a 1/2 teaspoon of ground cinnamon. And then I'm just going to mix these 2 together. Alright, now we're going to take these, put butter on both sides, put sugar and the mixture together on both sides. You're going to take it and we're going to do it like that. And that way when it cooks and when it's done, it'll have this shape. Make it where it's like a taco. Okay, I had to end up putting in more sugar and cinnamon, so I ended up using a total of 4 tablespoons of sugar and 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, and it worked perfectly. But I've got them all done. Let's try to slide a bit. Okay, and now I'm going to put them in the oven now for 10 minutes. 10 minutes I'll check to make sure they're ready, and you'll be able to tell when they're just a little bit crispy, and they'll be ready to come out. Okay, it's been 10 minutes, and they are ready. I'm going to take them off of this and put them on a cooling rack until they cool, and then I'll be back. Oh, look at that. Beautiful. The title to this video is Delicious Dessert Tacos Made Your Way. And the reason why I put made your way is because I have just a whole bunch of different things that you could possibly put on it. You can have these for ideas, or you can use some of your own ideas to make it. But this is, the kids are going to love it. Be able to put whatever they want on it. So yeah, I think it's going to be delicious. But on mine, trying to think what all I want. I do want a lot of it. I'm going to put some bananas first on mine, on the bottom. I like bananas. And then, oh, look at that. It even sits beautiful. Give me some ice cream. Yeah, the ice cream is still kind of hard, so that's good. It won't melt too fast. A little bit of cherries. I'm going to have to start holding it now because it's starting to get heavy. A little bit of crushed pineapples. Of course, a little bit of M&Ms. These are little M&M minis. Maybe a little bit of caramel. Maybe a little bit of nuts. Oh, look at that. And a little bit of whipped cream. Oh my goodness. And this is my dessert taco. Beautiful. Alrighty. That is good. Very good. Please give us a try. You can put whatever you want, any kind of fruit and candy, whatever it is you like. It is amazing. Very good. With that being said, thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and share. Don't forget to subscribe and push the bell button to be notified next time I upload a video. Thanks again. Have a blessed day.